Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who decided to leave their mother's home and build houses of their own. The first little pig was very lazy. He decided to build his house out of straw because it was the easiest and quickest way. He finished his house in no time and then lay down to rest. The second little pig was a bit more delicate, but he still wanted to build his house quickly. He decided to use sticks. He built his house a bit stronger than the first pig's house of straw. But it didn't take him long, and soon he was done and ready to relax. The third little pig was very hardworking. He decided to build his house out of bricks. It took a lot of time and effort, but he wanted to make sure his house was strong and steady. One day, a big bad wolf came along. He saw the first little pig's house of straw and thought it would be easy to blow down. The wolf knocked on the door and said, little pig, let me come in. Not by the hair of my chin, replied the first little pig. Then I will huff and I will puff, and I will blow down your house in, said the wolf. And he huffed and he puffed, and he blew the house down. The first little pig ran to his brother's house made of sticks. The wolf followed and knocked on the stick house door. Little pigs, let me come in. Not by the hair of our chins, replied the two little pigs. Then I will huff and I will puff, and I will blow your house in, said the wolf. And he huffed and he puffed, and he blew the stick house down. The two little pigs ran to their brother's house made of bricks. The wolf followed and knocked the brick house door. Little pigs, let me come in. Not by the hair of our chins, replied the three little pigs. Then I will huff and I will puff, and I will blow your house in, said the wolf. And he huffed and he puffed, but he couldn't blow the brick house down. He tried again and again, but the house was too strong. The big bad wolf was very angry. He decided to climb down the chimney to get inside the house. But the third little pig had a clever idea. He put a big pot of boiling water under the chimney. When the wolf came down, he fell right into the hot water and ran away, never to bother the three little pigs again. The three little pigs lived happily ever after in their strong brick house, knowing that hard work and perseverance paid off. The moral of the story, The Three Little Pigs, is that hard work and dedication pay off in the long run, while taking shortcuts and opting for the easiest solution might seem appearing at first. Putting in the effort to do something properly and thoroughly leads to better and more secure results. It teaches children the value of diligence, perseverance, and the importance of building a strong foundation in everything they do.